Hi everyone! Before we start, let's invite our friendly robot, capable of streaming video but limited in its understanding of the world. Although it can stream video, it cannot understand its surroundings. It's just an observer, unable to recognize objects or act intelligently. With the power of AMB82 Mini, the camera is no longer just a streamer, it unlocks AI capabilities, having the ability to detect up to 80 objects in real time. Now, we will be demonstrating an UVCD object detection example on Arduino IDE environment. To begin, let's open the Ameba NN example and select UVCD object detection loop. Then, compile and upload the example code to AMB82. Once uploaded, press the reset button and open the serial monitor to view the logs. Next, use a micro USB cable to connect AMB82 on USB OTG port to your PC. You can review the USB cam driver on Device Manager. Open a video streaming application such as Pot Player to view the stream. Remember to set the video format as H.264 with a resolution of 1920 x 1080. Hooray! Now we can verify the results of detected objects using AMB82 Mini as an external webcam. What do you think? Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications. See you in the next video.